Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to reconnect on Facebook. Maybe you want to reconnect on the pages you unfollow on the other day but you don't know how. Today I am going to teach you on how you can reconnect on the pages you unfollow on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. What you need to do is to tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, scroll down and you will see here the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button and then select this settings. And then in here, under the preferences, you will see the newsfeed. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see this reconnect. Tap on it. As you can see, reconnect with people and groups to start seeing their posts and feeds. To reconnect on it, just simply follow the page you want to reconnect with. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to reconnect on Facebook, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way on how you can reconnect on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.